karate chop. Okay, for this game that some people know as Ninja, we've adapted it to play as an ESL game. Okay, so Ninja is a game where you have to touch. Actually, it's spread a little. So I get that you're here. Okay, let's take a bit more space. Olivia, you're here. Okay, so you have to touch the other person with one move while saying ninja, okay? So I'll do, I have to, we go in a circle and I'll have to touch Heather, okay? And I'm like this and I'll say, ninja! Ah! I touch her, she's eliminated, okay? Oh. But, of course, she can defend herself, so you can avoid, okay?
Avoid, okay.
Using only one move, okay? While I say ninja. Okay. And ninja! Ooh! And now, wait, you can't move. I can't move, you can't move, okay? And now you have to do the same to Clémence. Saying ninja. Ninja! Oh! Almost. Now, we're only using hands, okay? No kicking in the guts, okay, or something. Now, let's do, because, you know, saying ninja is great, but in terms of target sentences, not the best. So, you know what? Imagine working on sports and we want to say what sports we like. We can say, I like hockey. Okay, that's going to be my sentence. Maybe your sentence is going to be, I like
gymnastics.
Oh, I like gymnastics. Okay, okay. So everyone will have a sentence where they say, I like, and a sport they like. Okay? So let's go around like this. Spread out a little bit more if you can. Don't hesitate, don't hesitate. Okay, and I'll start. I like hockey. Okay. Clémence, ready? Heather?
I like swimming.
Oh! Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
So you reached.
So yes.
Oh, okay.
You moved.
Oh, I don't know what else to do.
Usually, if you moved, you'll be eliminated again.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I like.
I know. I'm thinking of a sport. I like badminton.
Oh! You didn't.
Okay.
She's really good. Okay. Be careful. Yeah. And.
I like hockey.
Oh, excellent. Okay, now don't move. Try to hit Anna. Okay, saying I like and a sport.
I like swimming pool.
Oh, very.
Swimming pool.
Wait, you can't move. She didn't touch you.
Yes, she touched.
Oh, bye. Bye. Ready? I like
tennis.
Hey! I like swimming. Oh, bye. It looks like I'm playing against no one, but Agatha is here. Okay? You can't see her. I can. I like scuba diving. Ooh. Your turn. I
like dancing.
Oh, she got me. She got me. So now, what we want to do with that is we want to work on ordinal numbers. So, who was the first? Who won the game the first? Say, I'm first.
I'm first.
Okay, so you're here. Who's second? Oh, I'm second. Second. Who is third?
I'm third.
Who's fourth?
I'm fourth.
Who's fifth?
I'm fifth.
And who is sixth?
I'm sixth.
Okay, so we've got the order from the winner to the loser. Sorry, Clémence. Bye.
Bye.